Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of NZDUSD and you can see I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and if we just look at the chart, we can easily see that the chart is not that simple. Okay, chart is kind of complicated. And if I zoom out, we can easily see that market is in uptrend. The trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, and right now market is in a range and market has formed a symmetrical triangle. To be honest, I'm not a fan of triangles and all, but here we can see that market has formed a triangle. Generally, symmetrical triangles are quite confusing because see, market is making lower highs, okay, and on the other hand, market is not crossing the previous high, okay. Rather, it is failing every time, okay, to cross the previous high. So this kind of scenario is quite confusing for traders, okay. As a result, in a symmetrical triangle pattern, or whenever we get a symmetrical triangle pattern or a pattern like this, we need to wait for the market to cross either this line or this line, okay. Until and unless market crosses these lines, we cannot be sure where the market will go. Generally, in a symmetrical triangle pattern, market follows the trend it has been following. So overall the trend is towards the upside, so there is a possibility that market will be crossing this black line on the upside, okay. So right now market is in indecision. So if you want to know what should be your strategy, then I'll say that wait for the market to cross either this line, this black line, or this red line, okay. In the 4 hours chart, okay, you can draw two lines like this and then wait for the market to give you a proper signal, okay. On the other hand, if you want to go for some quick profit, okay, overall the trend is towards the upside, is not it? So if you want to go for some quick profit, when market will be coming down and reach this particular red line, okay, you just draw a line on your chart and wait for the market to hit this support line. Once you see that market has come down to this red line or the support line and it is bouncing, then you can go for a buy order. Do not risk much, risk only 1 to 2%, okay. Do not risk much, okay. Follow proper risk management and you can go for a buy order here. But do remember that market is in a range, or let's say market is an indecision, so therefore do not expect big profit, okay. Just try to come out. If you see any selling pressure, okay, try to come out by here, okay. Otherwise, wait for the market to cross this level, wait for the market to cross this level or this red level, okay. Apart from waiting, okay, there is not much thing to do here, okay. And if I take you to the weekly chart, okay, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I am a fan of multi-time frame analysis, okay. And in the weekly chart, we can see that market has a resistance, okay. Market has a resistance here in the pivot line, and this resistance is very important, okay. This level is very important. 0.7300. This level is very crucial for the market, and if you look at the chart carefully, you can see that this level is acting as a resistance for the market, okay. This level is acting as a resistance for the market since January, and it's been around 5 months, okay. Market is still unable to cross the resistance, okay. So this level is also very important, and we can see that once market tried to cross the level but market failed, so this is our ultimate resistance. So apart from the symmetrical triangle, when we jump to the weekly time frame, we have some few levels here. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be a strategy now. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that right now we have these two lines in the chart, okay, in the 4 hours chart. So even if you get a good opportunity, okay, so this was the symmetrical triangle pattern, okay, so in case market crosses this level, okay, this level, and market starts going up, then keep in mind that this will be your take profit target, okay, this will be your take profit target, because market is struggling near this level for more than 4 months. For almost 5 months, market is struggling at this level. So this level is your take profit target. Okay, and this the ultimate target, and this level is quite far away, so this level is not required as of now. So just keep your eyes on this level and wait for the market to cross this symmetrical triangle. Okay. So this is the overall structure of the market. If you're confused right now, then I'm extremely sorry, because this chart is not that simple. If you want to avoid NZDUSD, you're feel free to avoid the chart, because to be honest, if you ask me what Avilash, what will you do? Okay, I'll just avoid NZDUSD right now, because see, my philosophy or my theory is simple. I prefer to trade on chart that I easily understand. That's why you can see that I have a long list of currency pairs. I only trade on chart that I easily understand, and this kind of patterns are quite risky. So if you want to trade on triangle pattern, go for it. Okay, and if you want to switch to a different pair, feel free. There are multiple pairs available with good amount of opportunities. Okay, you do not need to risk your capital on a chart that you do not understand. Okay, and if you are a fan or a lover of NZDUSD, then wait for the market to cross, or either this line or this line. And considering the overall trend, there is a possibility that market will be crossing this line, the upside line. Okay, this is the analysis and strategy that you can follow for NZD USD. Okay. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.